If you are learning something new on Udemy and ever get stuck, asking a question is one of the easiest ways to get help. Let me quickly show you how to do it. Start by opening your browser and searching for Udemy. Once the site appears, click it and log into your account using your regular login or your organization's single sign-on if that option is available. After you are logged in, head to your profile and select the section that shows your courses. Open the course where you need clarification. Inside the course dashboard, scroll until you see the section called Q&A. This is where all questions and discussions from students and instructors are stored. Before posting anything, it's helpful to look through existing questions. Someone may have already asked what you need to know, and the answer might already be there. If you cannot find what you're looking for, you can post your own question. Click the button that allows you to ask a new question. When you write it, make sure your message is clear and specific so the instructor or other students can understand exactly what you need help with. Once you are satisfied, select the option to post it, and it will appear in the course's Q&A section. And that's all it takes. Asking questions on Udemy is simple, quick, and one of the best ways to get the support you need while learning. Happy learning!